saya nating dalawa. Bakit ngayon di na ganun? Bakit bigla ka na lang nag-iba? 7 buwan kita niligawan, mapasagot lamang kita. Bakit City Soy, pa-cute-cute lang? Pinagpalit mo lang ako sa kanya. Di ba nun simple ka lang? Tayo'y pa-jeep-jeep lang. Pero ngayon, sosyal ka na. Hinatid ng boyfriend mong di kotse. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Kinalimutan, hinayaan at binaliwala. Kinawawa, kinawawa. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Kinalimutan, hinayaan at binaliwala. Kinawawa mo lang ako. Naalala ko pa nga, kay ganda ng iyong mukha. Pero ngayon, napalagay ka na ng hikaw sa ilong. Daig mo ba si Madonna? Dati pa nga, napakalambing mo pa. Laging tapat sa iyong mahal. Pero ngayon, sa kaliwat kanan, marami na iba. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Hinalimutan, hinayaan at pinaliwala. Kinawawa, kinawawa. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Kinalimutan, hinayaan at pinaliwala. Kinawawa. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Kinalimutan, hinayaan at binaliwala. Kinawawa. Iba ka na pala ngayon. Ganyan ka na pala ngayon. Kinalimutan, hinayaan at binaliwala. Kinawawa.
Wow! Wow! That's wonderful. Mike, have a seat here. Yan. Grabe yun. Marami kang pinagsabay-sabay na ginawa dun. Ang hirap gawin ng ginawa mo. Congratulations. A beautiful song and well performed. Galing, galing. Laging nire-request sa radyo yan. Nung binili ko yung CD, doon ko malaman na meron palang, after ng second chorus, meron palang,
May mga bulong, no?
meron palang kadugtong. Kasi yung radyo, after ng second chorus,
Putol.
ending na. Okay. Ipinuputol ba o yun yung radio edit?
Radio edit.
So radio
siya.
edit na. So parang, meron pa palang kadugtong
Meron
yun.
pa.
At sobrang hitik dun sa imagery yung kanta mo. Nakikita na, kasi that's what keeps the listener glued to your song eh. Yung, hindi sila makabitaw dun sa, hindi lang mailipat yung dial ng radyo kasi hooked sila dun sa kanta.
Yeah.
Kailangan sundan nila yung kung paano from here to here, may mangyayari pa ba hanggang sa dulo.
Right.
Ayan. So, ikaw ba as a songwriter, are you the kind na parang yung ganyang style na storyteller? Painting pictures? Or isa lang yan sa mga...
Isa lang yan. Isa lang yan. Nataon lang.
Nataon na ito'y may kwento talaga. So, meron naman yung, yung mas broad ang spectrum nung... For example, yung You, ni Yosha.
You.
Hindi naman to yung kwentong painting. It's just a broad spectrum type na.
It's just a play of melodies and words and...
Grabe yan, From the mainstream R&B to kumakaliwa ito eh. Talagang itong estilo nitong kanta na to, talagang, alam mo naman, pag naman pinerform na kasi ng Yosha,
Ay,
Kahit bahay
grabe.
kubo yata, kakaliwa eh. Pupunta dun sa exquisite and gourmet. Sample lang mo naman ako.
You, 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 you. You, 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 you. You, 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 you. You, 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 you. All through the day, through the night, thoughts of you go round and round my mind. I can't think about anybody else in the days. Look what you done to me. I wonder to myself, do I ever cross your mind? You feeling the way I do about you? Cause if there's ever a thing that I wouldn't deny, it would be that I got the hots for you. And after all this time of hanging around, I wanna know what's the deal. Tell me, is this for real? And as long as time can make us wait and see, I know that this is just exactly who I wanna be. And it's with you, only with you. I can't go nowhere now that I found right where I belong. And it's with you, only with you. I ain't ever gonna let you go. Now that I finally found my place is just right here with you. You, 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 you. You, 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 you. You, 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 you. You.
Thank you, Marlon. sarap nung kanta, sarap nung pagkakatug, sarap nung pagkakakanta. Sa ganitong klaseng songwriting, ano naman yung process mo?
The baseline.
Yung baseline.
Ang sarap ng...
Oo.
Yeah.
Tapos, nganak-nganak na, no? Kung saan puntahan. Nakakatuwa kasi yung, I think it's a concoction of all the different training that you had when you were younger. Nag-train ka pala kay Mr. C, Ryan Cayabyab, kay
yeah.
Moy Ortiz.
I was so young then.
Oo.
And I learned so many things from Mr. C
Okay.
and from Moy of the company.
Oo.
They taught me
Yeah.
so many things that,
Okay.
wow, yeah. I still use up to
Galing.
now.
Yung mananatili, nasasarapan din ako doon at I'm sure nasasarapan din ng common person. Kaya kailangan humingi ako ng sample nung mananatili.
yeah.
Pwede bang...
This song,
Oo.
I wrote this.
Oo.
Hindi pa ako miyembro ng freestyle.
Oh,
And they came to me and they heard the song. They said, Mike, can we have this song?
okay. Saan mo
it
pinaperform?
was-
Paano
it
nyo
was an
narinig?
honor.
Paano narinig?
Well, I don't know. Paano ba? Kaibigan ko sila eh.
Oh, okay.
Pag kailangan nila ng singer,
Oo.
Mike, pwede ka ba? So, yun,
Okay, so naririnig
naririnig
nila.
nila.
Okay.
Oh,
Marinig!
they-
Gusto ko yung Mike
Ayun.
Lewis version. Yeah.
Okay.
Sige. Ito.
Paano magagawa? Limutin ang sandali. Yakap kita sa aking piling. Hanggang katapusan, walang ibang sasabihin, kundi pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y mananatili. Hindi magbabago, ito'y sa'yo lagi. Habang umiikot pa ang mundo, iibig lang sa'yo. Pag-ibig ko'y mananatili.
Grabe. Sarap! Woo! Grabe. That's what I mean. Mike Lewis can go commercial R&B, iba ka na pala ngayon, and then go really sa kaliwa na deep fusion na acid jazz feel na kanta. And then go to the right and be teleserye sounding and pwedeng kantahin sa karaoke bar. Yung ganun kanta.
I guess it's just where I am at that certain
At the-
moment in time.
Correct,
diba? So,
siguro, no?
Oo.
Kung saan ka abutin ng iyong emosyon at musicality. Magandang kaisipan yon.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, si Mike Lewis hindi nagpapabox.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka nagpapakahon, ano? Sa'yo, sa paniniwala mo, is there such thing as selling out the style, selling out the genre, or everything is okay with you as long as tastefully done? Ano ang iyong paniniwala sa ganung kaisipan?
It doesn't sound good no, yung sell out.
Oo, parang hindi. Pero you have to,
Yeah, there is such
diba?
a thing.
Kailangan bumenta eh.
Correct.
Oo.
Correct.
Pero stricto ka ba? Purist ka ba pagdating sa ganung kaisipan? Say, paggawan ka ng novelty song. Ganyan.
Na ano na yun? Parang
Paggawa ka ng novelty song na talagang...
game, oo.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
okay sa'yo.
Yeah, oo.
Okay, hindi
Stay
naman-
open. Stay open.
Okay.
stay open.
That's good to know kasi kasi minsan, you know, nung bang bata ka, nung mas bata ka, mas masikip, mas stricto ka, mas maluwag ka ngayon, or always been ganun ka, open ka to anything?
I would like to think I'm more open now.
Okay.
Because, yeah, you never stop learning and you never stop realizing, teka, mali pala ako, dapat pala ganito, dapat pala I should embrace more things, you
Yeah.
know, learn more things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I would like to think that before,
Oo.
yeah,
That's good.
I must have been less than what I am now,
Oo.
somehow.
Actually, yung age, may magandang equalizer ang age eh. You know, marami kang marirealize
Right.
na kung alam lang natin nung bata-bata tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi na sana ako naging ganon. Pero part yun nung...
It's part of learning. It's part
learning,
of,
humbling,
It's part of the journey.
character building,
Yeah.
mga ganong bagay. Ako natutuwa talagang makipag-usap sa'yo. Pero nasisignalan na tayo na kinakapos na yung ating oras. Narinig na natin yung mga kanta. In fact, may isa pa akong kanta sana kung pwedeng isingit ko lang. Yung kahit a cappella na lang. Yung Brand New Funk na kanta, yung Tagalog song ng Brand New Funk, yung Bawat Tao.
Ay,
Oh,
naku,
kahit,
teka.
oo.
Ano yan eh?
Mm.
That has never been released.
Mm-mm.
So,
Kasi natuwa ako,
oo.
Brand New Funk, ang pangalan ng grupo. Tapos Bawat Tao ang title. So,
It's a really funky, groovy tune.
Oo.
Yeah.
kahit konti
We
lang.
recorded this and
Oo.
then it never got out. You never saw it in the record bars. But
Oo.
yeah, yung mga sa circle ng mga musikero.
Kasi nasa listahan siya ng 5 paborito mong kanta. Nakanta mo na yung 4. Yung pang-5, baka pwedeng sample mo ako. Maikli lang bago tayo mag-break.
Sige.
Oo.
Pare-pareho lang pala tayo, mayroong tapak sa ulo. Ganyan talaga ang bawat tao, mayroong kulang sa ulo. Maging bata ka o matanda, mayaman o mahirap, bawat isa sa atin ay may problema. Nababato, lungkot, baliw, buang ang bawat tao. Ganyan talaga ang bawat tao.
Yun pala yun. Parang awa mo na, i-release mo na to. I-release mo na to. I have a good feeling about this song and it's gonna be a hit, lalo na sa ating mga new school, mga bata ngayon eh. Magbe-break lang muna tayo.
Okay.
At mamaya, mapapakinggan natin yung kanta ni Mike na hindi niya pa rin naririnig.
Hoy?
Hindi mo pa rin naririnig. Oo, kasi gagawin mo pa lang.
Wow!
Oo, sa ating on-the-spot songwriting portion ng programang ito. Ayan, nagulat ka ba
Di
sa
ko
mga
alam
kwento?
yun,
Malalaman. Ayan, improv game.
Wow!
With Mike Lewis, sa babalik lamang ng Sims. This is my story. This is my song.
Up next on Tim's.
Nagbigay ng